Welcome, everybody. So, we're going to take your square breathing from your essential practice and we're going to add some variations now. So, in yoga, there's always different variations that we can add to a theme, and we can make things more powerful in different ways. So, the first way we can do that is that we started with the 4-count breath. So, remember, we did inhale for 4, we held for 4, we exhale for 4, and we held for 4. So this time we're going to inhale for 8. We're going to hold for 8, exhale for 8, and hold for 8. So just by extending the breath, we start to find that we can, enhance the practice and go a little bit deeper. The other thing we can do is when you inhale for 4, you can use your right hand, the ring finger and the thumb. You close the right nostril with your thumb and you close the left nostril with your ring finger and you hold for 8. And then you bring the hand down, you exhale for the 8. The hand comes back, we close the left nostril and the right, and we hold for 8. So this helps keep all the prana in. They say the prana can sometimes leak through the nostrils, so it's a fun thing to do. Remember, prana is energy. So we want to try and keep as much as that energy we can within our bodies. And then the other thing we can do is when you hold, they say that it's really powerful, and this is part of this is a breathing and it's a kind of concentration meditation in one. When you hold, you try and imagine the heartbeats. So you're holding for a count of 8. So boom, 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 and so forth for 8 counts. And then you start to get deeper into your practice, and you imagine within those heartbeats is the Om. It's that eternal vibration that's always there. So, and so forth. So should we give it a try? So we're going to do we're going to inhale for 8, we're going to hold for 8, exhale for 8, and hold for 8. And we're going to use the right hand on the holds this time. Okay, so let's find a nice comfortable sitting position. Nice straight spine, shoulders relaxed, your belly's relaxing. Exhale completely. Now inhale for a count of 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold. Bring the right hand up, close your right nostril with the right thumb, the left nostril with the right ring finger. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring the hands down, they're locked in Jnana Mudra. You're holding as you exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we hold, ring finger and thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hold. Remember the ring finger and thumb on the right hand closes both nostrils as we hold. Release the hand, exhale for a count of 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, hold. Remember the hand, close the nostrils. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hand comes down, inhale through both. Om, 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 and hold. Hand comes up, close both nostrils. Now imagine the heartbeats. Om, 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 om. After 8, release the hands. Exhale for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We hold. Remember the right hand, close both nostrils. Om, 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 om. Hand comes down, inhale for 8. Hold for 8. Exhale for 8. Hold for 8. Remember the right hand. Hand comes down. Inhale for 8 through both nostrils. Hold. The right hand closes both nostrils. Hand comes down. Exhale for 8. Hold for 8. Close both. Remember those heartbeats. Hand comes down. We're inhaling. Holding. Exhale through both for 8. Hold for 8. Close both. Last round. Hand comes down. Inhale for 8. Close both. Exhale out through both for 8. Hold for 8. Hand comes down. Resume normal breathing. Try and remain absolutely still. Maybe notice some subtle changes. As we do the square breathing, there are many ways to do it, and we've given you some additional options to enhance if you want to go a little bit deeper in your practice. You may use the hand, the ring finger and thumb, to close both nostrils on the hold, or you may just do it naturally without bringing a hand up. So let's just do a few without using the hand to close the nostrils. So exhale completely. Inhale for a count of 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Imagine those heartbeats. Om, 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 om. Exhale for 8. Hold for 8. Remember those heartbeats. Om, 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 om. And inhale for 8. Hold for 8. Everything natural, no straining. Exhale for 8. Hold for 8. 3 more rounds now. Go ahead. Inhale for 8. Hold. Exhale for 8. Hold for 8. Inhaling. Holding. Exhaling. Holding. One last round. Inhale. Body's holding. Everything natural, no straining. Exhaling. Holding. And resume normal breathing. Just keep watching. Noticing any subtle changes in the mind and body. Be receptive and compassionate to all beings. This concludes this practice.